Tesla can generate more than 1.37 million electric vehicles per year with its present range of 5 models, creating a significant gap with its competitors. Tesla intends to transition from a 5-vehicle corporation to a succession of new car lines for the market by the end of 2023. What exactly are these exciting products? The first exciting product from Tesla is the Tesla Minibus, inspired by the famed Volkswagen microbuses, an upcoming Tesla vehicle for 2023. So how will Tesla market this product? Musk said the vehicle is based on the Model X chassis, which could make production easier. These buses will be semi-automated or completely fully autonomous. Musk argues that because Tesla's minibuses would be much smaller than existing buses, they will ease traffic congestion by accelerating and braking like a regular vehicle rather than clogging it up, as present buses frequently do. Tesla's minibus will have its batteries on the floor and only a modest electric motor at the front, back, or both. The cabin room should be more than a typical minibus, supporting Musk's assumption that numerous units may replace a bigger traditional bus. The concept will be revealed in 6 to 9 months, around early to late 2023. It's thus assumed that it'll go into production during the following 3 to 4 years, or between 2023 and 2027. Now, what model would the second product be? That would be the Model 2. The $25,000 Tesla hatchback is a mystery. Elon Musk confirmed that the car would cost $25,000. Still, it needs to be clarified whether that's the full price or if that includes the potential savings discount Tesla advertises. However, this price is something other than what this electric vehicle in North America is quite managed. A hatchback is a very particular design, so we should expect some Tesla-fied vehicle that looks like a blend between a Model Y and something like a Nissan Leaf or Volkswagen ID3. The Model 2 will have some autopilot, with Elon Musk promising the vehicle will be fully autonomous. We wonder if it will have level 5 autonomy, wherein the car does all the work. There's no need for an attentive human in the driver's seat, but promises suggest it will come powered by the new 4680 battery cells. The same cells are said to be used in the Tesla Cybertruck and the 2022 Model Y. As for the range, we have just as few confirmed details. That being said, Elon Musk previously said that the standard range Tesla Model Y would be discontinued in early 2021 because it only had 244 miles of range. Evidently, Musk believes that anything less than 250 is unacceptable. We can expect a minimum of 250 miles from the new Tesla hatchback. As for its release, Tesla originally announced it was ready to release the hatchback at some point in 2023. However, that was assuming the car didn't fall foul of delays, something Tesla is all too familiar with. Now, this next Tesla vehicle is the one that has generated the most debate recently. Which one is it? It's a Tesla Semi, of course. Turning car drivers onto electric power is one thing, but persuading long-haul truckers to ditch diesel is far more ambitious. Tesla announced the electric Semi in 2017. After 2 years of delays, the first examples were finally rolling out of the Austin, Texas plant. They were delivered to Pepsi's hands by December 2022. The zero-emissions rig, which cost between $150,000 and $180,000 depending on specs, is claimed to deliver a range of up to 500 miles thanks to its 4680 battery cells, and is capable of taking fast mega charger top-ups that will add 400 miles of range in 30 minutes. Tesla also claims the Semi can thunder from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 20 seconds while hauling 80,000 pounds and an insane 5 seconds unladen. Tesla still owes PepsiCo many more electric semis. About 8 finished Tesla semis are waiting at the secret Nevada site near Tesla's original battery gigafactory in Nevada. They reportedly need to have final inspections before they head out for delivery. While they're not yet wrapped with a logo, it's assumed they'll be coming to PepsiCo in Modesto, California. We look forward to watching some Zen and YouTube direct race matchups in 2023. Here we have the longest delayed vehicle by Tesla, the Cybertruck. So when will this monster be out on the road already? Musk unveiled the electric pickup prototype in November 2019 at a promotional event in Los Angeles. After years of waiting, Production will start at the Tesla factory in Austin, Texas this June. According to chief vehicle designer Franz von Holzhausen, things are on track. He has just revealed some features of the Cybertruck and promised big surprises. The Tesla Cybertruck promises up to 500 miles of electric range, a maximum towing rate of 14,000 pounds, and a base rate under $40,000. Buyers will also have the option to add the Tesla driver assistance system or the full self-driving system for an additional $15,000. On November 24, 2019, Musk said that Tesla had already received at least 187,000 orders for the Cybertruck. 5 days after the vehicle was unveiled, a Cybertruck order tracker estimates more than 1.6 million customers have placed a deposit on the controversial electric pickup. Tesla is no longer taking orders for the Cybertruck in Europe and the Asia Pacific. However, the vehicle can still be ordered in the US, Mexico, and Canada. And finally, are you considering purchasing a phone with more features than a typical phone? Well then, you've got to look at the Model Pi. Tesla, the world's largest electric vehicle manufacturer, is said to be working on a futuristic smartphone that may be called the Model Pi. Despite significant industry leaks and suspicions, Texas-based business has remained silent about the alleged gadget. It has not announced manufacturing plans and is keeping product development under wraps. Industry sources predict the company will release its first smartphone in late 2023 or early 2024. The Pi Phone 2023, Tesla's upcoming smartphone, is a fantastic blend of form and functionality. The device is estimated to cost $1,000 when released in the United States. This thin, beautiful, and lightweight smartphone will come in various colors. This new gadget, according to Tesla, will be improved. If you use this phone, the network infrastructure will operate in the woods and mountains. Most importantly, when you download, this phone can connect to a satellite network, allowing you to download quickly. As a result, the Tesla smartphone will have a download speed ranging from 150 to 200 megabytes per second. That is our video for today. We hope you like it. So how do you feel about these new Tesla products? And what do you expect them to develop into the future? Share all of your thoughts with us in the comment section below. Well, that's all for now. This is Big Tech Media. See you again tomorrow. Keep in mind to like, share, and subscribe.